Hi all, my name is Arun Kumar and today I'm going to tell you guys like what are the lambda functions in Python. Okay, so like here I have written, I have already prepared that what I have to tell you that lambda functions are used to write functions. Like in Python there are two ways of writing functions. Okay, so like the first way is with the help of function which I have written here like this. For creating a simple function we use the def keyword. Okay, and after that suppose we want to add two numbers, so suppose I have given the name of that function addition and we are passing two parameters here. So this is the normal Python function to write a program to add two numbers. Okay, and lambda functions are also used to write functions but in a different way. It is a very shorter way to write functions in Python. You can see the example which I have taken here. Here, I have used lambda function to create the function. I have given the function name as addition, like no, like in the above program, I have given the function name as addition in this way. In lambda, we give the function name in this way. I've used the keyword lambda, and here I have passed the arguments. Since we have to add two numbers, so there are two arguments here, a comma b, and after that here a plus b means we are adding two numbers, right? So after that in the second line I have printed the return value, the output of this function after passing two parameters. Suppose we want to add 5 and 2, so we have passed here 5 and 2 and like we have printed its return value. Okay, so the same thing I have written here. So lambda function can have any number of arguments but only one expression. This argument value can be of any number, but there can only we can perform only one kind of operation here. Okay, like here we are performing addition, so only addition can be performed here. So normal functions are defined using def keyword. So here I have already shown you that how normal functions are prepared in Python. Okay, okay, now let's see what the result comes after running this code. First of all, I am running the normal code in it, and we can see the addition. I have created the function here for adding two numbers. Now I have called that function and passed two parameters. The output is 7, right? Now again the same, this 4 line of code I have done here in 2 lines. Okay, I have added two number. I have written this program of Python for adding two numbers using lambda function. So you can see that uh, how our code has simplified from 4 lines to 2 lines. I mean, it can decrease much more number of lines if our code is of larger numbers. Obviously, it is very useful.